Welcome back to part 6 of the Asia-Alaska adventure, and welcome to Tokyo. Alright, we're gonna go find the Airbnb. Let's go do that. An adventure if you can. It's warm out there. It's like 90 something. It's a big difference from Alaska for sure. I got a small bag, got some stuff, shoes basically. Let's go try to find this Airbnb and then make our way back. It's 94 kilometers. Didn't think the ship would be like that far. But anyway, let's go find it. So September 20th here, I didn't think it was gonna be this hot. It's quite warm. I'm not carrying the big bag just yet. All right, let's go find the train. Three trains down. Apparently I'm not lost yet. I think one train and a bus to go. Are we there yet? Alright, 2 hours and 4 trains later. I think we're almost to the Airbnb. So, look at this. It was like, you know, about that far from Tokyo. Unfortunately, what I did not know is that the ship was also that far from Tokyo the other way. So, hey, it's part of the adventure, right? At least we're getting pretty close, and I didn't bring the big bag yet. But I'll definitely bring that later today because it's too hot for tomorrow for sure. Alright, let's go find this Airbnb. And room number is February 17th, huh? That's funny. So this will be home for the next 2 weeks. And then we'll see what's happening from there. It's really hot, so I'm resting before I head back to the ship. Whew! Well, alright, now that this place has been found, and I cooled off a bit because it was pretty hot, let's go get some food and make our way back to the ship to get the rest of the stuff. What an adventure this life is. Let's go. So about 20 years ago, I was in Japan for work. It was really difficult to get around. But now, like, with my phone and, you know, like, I have a translator and, like, a lot of stuff is in English, it's much easier to get around. And the trains are really on time. So, got about 2.5 hours back to the ship. Lots of train riding today. So I found this like super huge store in the train place. I was talking to my mom earlier about how heavy my bag is. She's like, why don't you get like a dragon carrier? So look at this, I found one. Let's go get that. That'll probably make it way easier to get back. So go mom for the idea. Thanks.
4番線ご注意ください。電車通過します。
So I was doing all right, and then I totally forgot there was this really long walk I did on this road or train or whatever. I didn't get on the wrong train. All right, one train to go. Look at this cool castle thing. Looks better in the dark. So I just want to talk about how I didn't get on the wrong train, because I was looking at my phone and like the circle where I was supposed to be was not where I was, and then I figured it out. But like without Google Maps, like, this would be really hard. There's so many trains and just so many different ways you can go. When I was here 20 years ago, like, it was really challenging. This time it was so doable. So there you go. There's your encouragement. Come do hard things. All right, let's go back to the ship and find some food. I'm starving. Watch 20, elevator. Let's go pack. All right, you don't need to watch me try to figure that out. I will get that to work, but I'm not gonna do it because you're watching, I guess. Man, it's almost time for food. I'm so hungry. Got 20 minutes left. Hello. All right, so it's morning, September the 21st. This is the last view from this balcony. The cruise was great. All right, let's try this huge bag out of here and head back to that Airbnb. See what's going on. All right, just got off the ship and I'm gonna help another guy get to the airport because we're gonna right past that. So that's why I guess I went and did that sample one yesterday so I could help other people. Let's do that. Whew. All right, it's pretty hot out there. It's nice and cool in here, 20°C. All right, let's do the next thing and actually make sure the internet works so, you know, work and this trip can continue. So I just discovered an issue that I'm gonna have to go to the store and try to figure out. So it looks like here in Japan there's no ground, so I gotta go figure that out. All right, now that I've cleaned the stink off of me, let's go try to find a power converter so, you know, we can actually work around here. All right, our first try is gonna be that drugstore. All right, the search continues. There's a KFC here. Come on, there must be math tutors. All right, strike two. Looking for the power thing. Let's keep going. So there's definitely a reason why everybody's so fit here. There's lots of walking. I'm walking about a mile and a half to the currency exchange so I can pick up some yen, because I found stuff that's no credit, so it's a good idea to get some local currency and hopefully maybe find a power converter on the way. There we go, I am here. All right, let's try another store for a converter. This one looks like a big one. I just got some yen. I totally should have filmed that for you guys, so I'll go and show it to you now. So somebody's using it, but pretty much it was really easy once I finally found my machine. You just put in cash and gives you yen. So easy. And apparently $200 and some is 440,000. So let's see what that does. Alright, now that that's done, let's go find this converter, because that's really important. So delicious food was had. I got some money. Still no converter, so I just found another store that is on the way back from the train station. So let's go to the train station, take that back, and see if that one works. If that doesn't work, there's a really big store where I got that trolley thing that I guess we'll try. But hey, adventures in another country, and the power is not your power. I just found another mall that's even closer than the one I was just at to where I'm staying. So maybe this one has an electronic store. Let's go look. Just the inner nerd in me, I've never even seen this. 100 gig writable DVD or Blu-ray or whatever. Wow. Score. Alright, so I saw this, and then I saw that, and I laughed. They ride bikes here. Hey there. Today is September the 21st, I think, here in Japan. I'm hungry. It's gonna rain, but you know, I'm still hungry. So let's go find that mall thing again and get some food. Let's try this chicken bar together in the windy time. Not bad, actually. I feel like I just kind of stumbled into like an IKEA that's not an IKEA in this mall. You know you're in a busy mall when you go 6 places and there's parking. Found some Indian food. You know, I found like every experience with the service and it was so nice. So nice. So I'm in this grocery store and I just saw the train. Now I'm wondering if this is like a Wegmans run that in China. So now that lunch is over, there's a park nearby that I found. So let's go look at that. Look at this thing, like kind of off-roady tires, kind of cool. Man, this thing's cool. Like rope stuff and big slides. Very cool. birds, gardens, and island out there. This, you don't even need to learn Japanese to know what that says. All right, that's it for this very cute park in the high humidity. Even though it's cloudy, it's hot out here. All right, let's walk back. So I just learned something about Japan. Lisa just rolled by and said, you need a shirt. So I gotta wear a shirt. So I haven't seen a lock like this before, but when you hit it, all the numbers are in a different spot every time. That's cool. So even if you see someone punch numbers, you don't know the numbers. Very cool. So I got back, and the time it took me to get my laundry together, someone already got in the machine. So I guess laundry is later. Let's work on part 4 of this story so you guys can actually watch it. Well, all right, now that that exciting laundry is done, let's go adventure some more. But that's going to be in part 7. This is going to be the end of part 6 of the Asia Alaska adventure. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.